Hey fellow book lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm thrilled to share something close to my heart, the story behind my self-published book, Writing Made Easy. Do you want to take your knowledge and turn it into a book? Let me tell you how I turned 25 years of teaching novice writers into my first published book that started me on my journey as an independent author. Every book begins with a spark, a moment when an idea takes root. For me, it was assisting thousands of students over the years who needed help with their writing. After retiring, I wanted a way to continue to help students, especially non-traditional students who sometimes found returning to the classroom difficult after many years out of school. So I set to work putting all of my writing knowledge that helped numerous students conquer their fears of writing down on paper. I wrote my first version in Google Docs when I first retired. After writing the first draft, I uploaded it to Canva and laid it out into a book format. It was so wonderful to see my dream coming together. So after I had the draft completely in Canva, I hired a Fiverr editor and book formatter along with my editing team. You don't ever want to publish your book without an editor and beta reader. So my Fiverr editor was able to help me revise and edit and format it for Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing. That was so exciting to see my book actually in print. But after a couple of years, I decided to add more helpful information, and also I updated the cover. Now I really think it's ready. So as you can see, I have this copy and then I have a revised copy, and believe it or not, I actually have another revised cover. Sometimes it takes a while for you to get the book exactly the way you want it. If you've always wanted to write a book and you're not sure where to start, begin with your own life. Do you have important knowledge that you can share with others to make their lives easier or better? If the answer is yes, then you should start writing your book. Writing my book was a roller coaster of feelings. Sometimes I had imposter syndrome, sometimes I had writer's block, and sometimes I had sheer inspiration. But every sentence was a step towards moving to my dream of being a published author. When you share your knowledge, you are helping others. It has been so wonderful to know that I can make a difference in someone's life. When my students have reached out to me over the years with critiques of my classes, it was always so wonderful to know that I had a small part in them reaching their goals. Their kind words and encouragement really fueled my passion to keep writing and helping others in their quest to conquer their fears in the college composition classroom. So if it is your dream to self-publish, just know that you can do it. Also, if you are about to start a college class and you're afraid of writing, check out my book, Writing Made Easy, a step-by-step guide if writing is not your thing. I walk the writer through the entire process of how to navigate a beginner composition writing class. Well, friend, I hope I said something that encourages you to take that leap and write and self-publish your own book. And you could even do an ebook and then have a paperback also. All right, I'll see you next time. Please like and subscribe and support my channel and follow me on my creative living journey. Stay creative, friends. Bye-bye.